Hello my glam friends, today I just wanted to share a quick DIY with you for a DIY glam feather lamp. First I created my own bouquet holder with a funnel from Dollar Tree. This was the set of 3 and I'm using the middle one, and I'm using Aline's ultimate glue. That's what I had on hand. Of course you can use any other strong glue that you have, and then I went over it with some hot glue for an immediate and strong hold. I purchased a 5-inch styrofoam ball from Walmart and cut it in half, and then just glued 1/2 of it on top of the funnel. Then I purchased a 23.5 foot Eiffel Tower vase from Michael's, which is on clearance right now for $10. It's really a great deal. Then I just slipped my homemade bouquet holder on top of it. I ordered these beautiful ostrich feathers from eFavorMart, and I will leave a link for those down below. They came in a set of 12, which was the perfect amount for this project. I then proceeded to insert the ends of the feathers into the styrofoam ball, and I would say, you know, put one on one side and then start with the other one on the opposite side so the weight doesn't pull the ball down. If you follow my channel and are a subscriber, you probably know that I am working on my master bedroom makeover, and this vase is part of it. I inserted all 12 feather, making sure that I distributed them evenly. I ordered the white and they are just so soft and fluffy, but they come in many other colors as well. This is an LED light base I ordered from Amazon, and you will see later in the video how it illuminates that vase really gorgeously. You know how I love using my Christmas decorations for that glam look, and this vase is no exception. These ornaments came from Hobby Lobby last year, but they are already stocking for Christmas now. Then I purchased these clear push pins from Dollar Tree and simply put the push pin through the hanger of the ornament and then just inserted it into the styrofoam ball. I spaced them apart evenly and went all around the funnel in a circle. The LED base I showed you earlier has a USB plug, and it also can be operated by batteries if you need to do so. I couldn't believe the difference it made, but look how absolutely gorgeous it is. This is the warm light. It also comes in a cool light. I also purchased some USB rechargeable puck lights from Amazon, and I placed it on top for a different lighting effect, since you can achieve a lot of different colors. The video unfortunately doesn't capture the lighting very well, but it is just absolutely gorgeous and so much prettier in person. The lighting also comes with a remote control, and you can actually let the colors run, or you can set it on one particular light. I went back and reinforced the bouquet holder with some paper inside of the vase for a sturdy hold, and then I placed this rhinestone trim around it to disguise it. Fortunately, I lost the footage to that, but that's a simple step. I hope you love this project. I hope you'll try it yourself, and those Christmas ornaments, they just add the perfect touch. So stay tuned for my bedroom makeover. Like I said, I'm still working on a few things, but don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.